There's a couple of things I'd say. The first thing is not all legacy is legacy. So I think about it in two ways. There's legacy and there's heritage. And the fundamental difference for me is that legacy systems are old systems which may be out of support or causing us problems or which we have a concern about, and we have to wrap special measures around those to maintain those services. Heritage might be something that could be quite old, but it functions very well and it's reliable and performs, and we don't really have to worry about it. So old is not necessarily bad. So I think about it in those two ways. Now, if we're delivering change on top of that, there's a few things we have to consider. The first is that any change we make in a complex environment can have knock-on effects. So we have to consider how that will work. And it's important that when we're architecting and designing solutions, we architect and design for the operation of those systems, not just the delivery of the capability. So once it's up and running, is it going to be something that we can run efficiently and effectively? Is it something that is supportive of change happening without causing disruption? And you can design those requirements in at the beginning, so that's something we're careful to try and do. So that would be important. If we do that and we're cognizant of legacy, then the two should sit together. And at the same time, we're also working to remove legacy and to reduce that. And we've put a lot of investment in over the last 3 years. We've made some real inroads on that space. And we're entering now in the next 3 years, we'll continue that work, but we're entering into a piece of work where we're going to do a significant application rationalization. So we'll reduce the number of apps. And obviously where we'll start will be in the old stuff. So if we can get that right, we'll continue to simplify our landscape and make it more robust. So that's some of the things that I would be thinking about in that space.